Alright guys, North Region Lockpicker here. I'm going to do a stock lock Sunday video. I ordered this American A701D. I bought it off of Amazon, and I'm sure most of you guys know the details on these. It's a 5-pin, usually loaded with security pins, interchangeable core, high security. So this one will be actually the 4th lock that I have in this class of lock. So I'm going to, after I do a picking video for this one here, I am then going to do a comparison video between those 4 locks. Alright, see if we can get this thing open without making a mess out of something. Good enough. All right. These are really nice looking locks. Okay, the key. American always puts their bidding right on them. So it's a 55768. And it is a loaded shackle with a spring core. Beautiful sound. All right. Let's see what we can do here. I've never picked one of these. I've picked quite a few American locks. So this is going to be really interesting to see just how challenging this guy is. Okay, let's get you zoomed in and centered. Okay, I am going to see if I can use the 50 thousandths pry bar in here, which I usually can on most Americans. Yep, looks good. Okay, let's get that tensioned up, and I'll mark it here, see if we get into a false set. Looks like they don't have that plate on very tight there. Okay. Yeah, it kind of gives us, it's a little bit offline, but kind of shows the gist of it anyways. Something to compare against. Alright, I'm going to try and find my neutron here. And I'm going to start towards the back. Let's see, 5, 4 feels bound up. A little click out of him. Let's see, a little click out of 1, no movement. Okay, I think pin 3 feels bound up. Serrations and an overset. Alright, I'm going to start over. I'm going to try starting from the front here. See what I get. So pin 1, little click. Pin 2 feels springy. And pin 3 is bound up. There, that felt like a good, clicked over a couple serrations and felt like I might have hit the shear line on it. Okay, pin 4, a little click. Hold off on him here for a second. Okay, pin 1. Pin 1 is probably set. Pin 2 still feels springy. 3, I'm not sure here. Got one more click out of 3. There's a couple of clicks out of 4. I'm thinking I think something's overset here, but here's I'm actually going really heavy with my tension here, unintentionally. So I'm going to start over, back off again. Keep my tension real light. Okay, pin 1, some movement. Pin 4. There's a nice little click. Felt like it might have been, there's another serration. He might be set. Okay, a little click out of 5. Okay, yep, there he went over on him. Okay, 4, 5. Still sitting here on 3 and 4. Okay, those two are going to be my gatekeepers. So I gotta see if I can't get those two set, and then I think I can work from there. Over set 4 again. You guys hear that? It just sounds like popcorn. A little click out of 5. Might have been setting them a little deep on 4 there. Nice click out of 1. Nice click out of 2. Another little click out of 2. Okay, 3. Nice big click out of 3. See if I can get back to 5 there. Nothing. Little serration click out of 1. Alright, I'm going to try another click out of 3. Little serration click. I'm fearing that I'm just pushing up on the key pins here. I might actually have to go to a 15 thousandths and pick from the bottom on this one. I don't know if I got quite enough reach here. Let's see here. I'm pushing on 5. I'm gonna go for standard hook with sparrows. Okay, and go from the, trying to get pin 5 set here without oversetting 4 is the problem. Okay, that felt like I got a little movement. Set on 5. 1 is bound up. There we go. There it is. Awesome. So yeah, pin 4. Pin 4 was sticking up there. Had to get 5 back there. All right. It actually wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy compared to some of them that I've picked. Now that lock plate felt loose, but the screw felt tight. I think the Loctite was holding. Okay, Phillips screw. Got my head out. Locking plate and the core. And look at there. They have the bypass wafer in there. Very good American. Love seeing that. Drives me bonkers when they make such a nice little lock with security pins and everything, and then they mess it up by not putting a bypass wafer in there. I just don't understand that. Oh, out of video here. See if I can get this little C-clip off here without stabbing myself in the finger. Yeah, let's do it the right way. Spin it around, and I'll just hook it with a flat screwdriver. Pull them out. Okay. Key. Grab my bent up shim here. Shim them up. Push them out. Okay, 5 pins, capable of 6, but they only use 5. Alright. See where you guys are at, what you can see here. Okay, pin 1, standard. 2 is a serrated, 3 is a serrated, 4 is a serrated, and 5 is a serrated. Very nice. Standard core. Pull a shim out. Grab my pinning tweezers here. Okay, pin 1. We have a nice little spool stack. Pin 2, same thing. Pin 3, oh sorry, I said spool stack, serration stack. And then pin 3, if I can avoid throwing it around here. See, they do beautiful work here. They've got, okay, come on, focus. If you can see that, it's a spool. I need something to lay this on. Let's use the package here. See if that'll work. Okay, so it's a spool with serrations on each end. Outstanding. Okay, I'm gonna go to the back side here. I got this thing zoomed way up here. Back that off for you. Keep it zoomed up enough that you can see good. Alright, nothing in 6. Well, then I shot them out. 5 is a serrated. And pin 4 is another spool. And then I'm not going to bother pulling out all the springs, but they're just a standard brass spring. Okay. So yeah, just a normal core, normal lock. They do beautiful with their pinning work. Let me zoom up there and give you a good look at all the pins. That's quite a difference from an American to a master. Hang on, there we go. That looks pretty good. Get the focus on right there. If I can create a shadow here to help the glare. So there's 1, 2. Better or worse? It doesn't much matter, but I think you can kind of see the serrations. Take it back a little bit here. Getting so much glare off of something here. But Alright, there they are. Thanks for watching, guys. Stock Lock Sunday. Don't forget to stay legal. If you don't respect the keyhole, shouldn't stick your pick in there. Thank you.